I was asked a question today, and I told the person that I would figure it out. It turns out that there's a very easy solution to their problem. They are wanting to drag down the dates for a schedule, but they're only interested in having the dates for the weekdays displayed. So what we're going to do is we're going to click in their first cell and we're going to enter the date in the way that we want it to appear. So I'm going to enter in November 1st, 2018, and I'm going to press enter, and then we're going to click back on that and we're going to grab the fill handle and we're going to drag it down just like normal. And so then we get to about here, and so we'd only like to have the weekdays. So now we click on this little box which is below, that's after we've dragged it down, and it's the autofill options, and from here we can click fill weekdays, and automatically the days that aren't weekdays have now disappeared, and so now we only have weekdays that are displayed here. So that's how you drag down just the weekdays. Please subscribe.